Gemma Alcock is also dreaming of drones for good. She told us how she saved her first life when she was 22, working as a lifeguard for the Royal National Lifeboat Institute. It happened near here in Poole Bay in the south of England in 2015.
A lady got into difficulty on a beach that wasn't lifeguarded at that time of year. So a member of the public alerted us to it. I ran about 400 meters, swam out about 100 meters to an unresponsive lady in the water. I knew instantly that this was life critical, so we managed to get her back to shore very quickly and conducted casualty care that took her from unresponsive to being alive and well. That moment consolidated my passion and love for life-saving.
The incident got her thinking about what might have helped them get to the victims sooner.
With a drone, we'd be able to see further, and so we would have been able to see her get into difficulty so that it didn't have to get to the stage of doing casualty care to bring her back to breathing.
The idea for Skybound Rescuer was born, a network of automated drone hubs in risk hotspots across the UK, ready to respond to an incident in just 5 minutes. Mission Control is here in Southampton, where Alcock and her team are developing the framework for her vision, starting with the latest automated drones on the market.
So this is an automated drone station. First of all, it enables a precision takeoff and landing through this marking here. The camera uses that to align itself. And it also enables a remote recharging of the battery without needing to take the battery out and put it on charge. So these rods come in here and charge the batteries.
These drones are then synced with the company's custom-built emergency response AI software, which maps out the rescue operation and calculates the level of risk. The idea is that emergency services like the Coast Guard, fire brigade, police, or ambulance will be able to easily request a drone on demand for any eventuality.
Copy that. Taking off.
It's kind of like an Uber for rescue drones, but with a drone pilot in the driver's seat at Mission Control.
04, this is Skybound Control, over. In the beach lifeguarding example, we could do routine patrols of these high-risk beaches. So the drone would fly its mission, and when it spots someone in distress or someone nearing a high-risk area, the lifeguards can have eyes on that drone footage so that they can get there as quickly as possible. We have a growing list of mission types that our software is capable of. Currently, it is missing person searches, hotspot monitoring, which could be crime hotspots or transport hotspots or something else.
But does a fleet of eyes-in-the-sky drones mean privacy is sacrificed for safety?
And an example that I often use with drones is CCTV cameras. When they first came out, people thought they were being spied on, and it didn't make them feel comfortable. But now, when people see CCTV cameras, they feel safer. And so our aim is someday, when someone sees a skybound drone in the sky, they feel safer.
Alcock says regulations in the UK currently restrict drones flying outside the line of sight of the drone pilot. But she is hoping an exemption will soon be granted for her company so she can make her vision a reality.
I don't think there's any greater purpose than life-saving. It gives someone a second chance at life. But for the lifesaver, it is also the most profound feeling. It is my most proudest moment, and it's what motivates me every single day.